Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock Snapchat account on iPhone as well as on Android devices. If you lost your Snapchat account, then keep watching this video until the end, cause today in this video we are going to unlock the Snapchat account. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Now what we have to do, we have to launch Safari browser and in Google search for accounts.snapchat.com and tap go. After loading the page, you will get this interface of the website. Here we have to put the username or email address that you are using for Snapchat. After putting your email and password, we have to verify. We are going to select the images and tap verify. Here again, stairs, tractors, now tap login. Now we will get a verification code in your email address. The same thing that we have to do in Android devices. And tap submit. Now we have these options, and here we have to tap on unlock my account. After tapping on unlock my account, you have this interface of the website, and here is the complete detail, and tap on I am not reboot. Traffic lights, tap verify and tap unlock. Success! We have unlocked your account. Harun7328. Thank you for your patience. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.